Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all doing great. Let's start today's video. Today we are going to make this beautiful design. In order to make this, we need a 6 inches by 22 inches fabric. Then do the marking as per your desired design. Here I am making a 5 inches triangle. You can make a different design as per your requirement. Now my marking is complete. In order to make this design, we need to change the boot as well as the stitches of the machine, how to change the boot and how to switch the stitches. I already showed in my past video. If you need to watch that, you can go back to my channel and watch them over there. I will also copy the link in that description below. Next stitch is stitch number 97. Let's do the setup for that. I like stitch as per the configuration of 2 and 5, but you can change it as per your requirement. The next stitch number is 52. I like the configuration of 52 as 2 and 5.5, but as I mentioned before, you can change it as per your requirement. Next stitch is stitch number 93. I like the 93 configuration as 2.5 and 6.5. You can change it as per your requirement. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.